Alright, what's up guys? So, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the sound for mods in Assetto Corsa after the latest update where they broke it, sadly. As you probably can see, I'm revving up my car, no sounds coming out, just like this fucking rev limiter. And the squiddling sound. So let's fix this. Okay, let's exit out of the game, get out of here. Close. Close. Need some over. Alright, so let me see. I'm gonna provide you guys a link in the description for the sound effects mod, or the fix I should call it. Like, here's the link, get the link, copy, let's paste it. So this is the link, you'll just have to download it, but since I already have it downloaded, I won't. So let me open up the sound effects file. Let's find the place we should extract these sound effects. So go to your local disk C, go to your program files, go to Steam apps, common, Assetto Corsa, and then content. Here's the main step. Just rename your old sound effects folder to like old or something, whatever, it doesn't matter what you call it. Just drag this in and sounds should be fixed. Let's open up Assetto again. Open, start game. Let's see here, start. Alright, here we go. Oh, there we go, the launch trailer. Oh, so sexy. Starting theme engine. Let's hope it doesn't hang up. Oh, some mods I haven't removed yet. Alright, let's just wait for this to finish. There we go, main menu. You guys know these steps. Drive the same car still. Start. Alright, you guys don't see anything. Let me fix this for you. Tab out. Open up. There we go. Now you can see, and you can already hear it works. There we go. And that's the fix for you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.